It'll be 4 weeks this Friday that we settled below this rising channel bottom at the top of a move that is at 421.20 that set off a sell signal that's still in effect down to 326.57, calling this a 2 to 3 month sell signal. We may push back into this 421.20 area to 431.45 region, a descending channel top. This zone, once again, able to contain buying pressures through April, and from here we can fall away, should fall away into what is now 326.57 and climbing gradually. Whether we test 421.20 or not, I think has everything to do with whether we close today above 404.63, and that is a 1 week channel top. If we happen to close above 404.63, I'm going to call this a 2 to 3 day buy signal, a swing trade of 2 to 3 days back to 421.20, 421.20, part of a range of resistance up to 430.80 on the daily chart that can contain buying once again through April, and we can fall away from here to new lows, fall into the 320s over the next month, 2 or 3. If we do happen to close above 431.45 on Friday, just the opposite, the market pivots aggressively northward, 490s channel top at 497.87. This becomes a 1 to 2 month target, and that is the beginning of a wide range of long-term resistance up to 536.46 that can contain annual highs. This 497.87 I would call monthly, maybe even quarterly highs, but when you put the two together, it is a big range of long-term resistance that would be expected within 2 to 3 months of closing above the low 430s. Until then, we do remain on the defensive into the 320s. Let's take a look at the downside. We do have 390.12. That is a 3/8 Fibonacci on the daily chart. It has actually performed pretty well. We've never closed below it. And so for the day itself, holding below 404.63, 390.12 in reach. That means that that level can be sold if you're a day trader. That means you can play the short side over the next day or two down to 390.12, where you can take profits on that short position and even perhaps consider reversing and going long back to 404.63 within a day or two. If we close below 390.12, I do see that as a 3 to 5 day sell signal. Our swing trade over the 3 to 5 days shifts downside down to 374.36, where we can place a daily low. And if we close below 374.36 over the next week or two, it is this descending channel bottom at 346.39 that is now converging with 337.44 over the next week. So holding below 421.20 will keep 326.57 and climbing gradually in reach over the next 2 to 3 months. We are bearish below 421.20 to 431.45. Please click like, share, subscribe.
Want more wins in your portfolio? Get Daily SPY and Triple Q analysis that gives you a clear plan for the market's next move, plus 2 high probability stock picks each week. Start trading with a plan at wickedstocks.com.